My darling children, respected teachers and guardians, today is 14th November. Today, we are going to organize a momentous occasion of Children's Celebration Day through a number of fun activities, games, various performances such as dance, song, recitation, voyage and speech, etc. This day marks the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved the children so much that he was affectionately called by the children as Chacha Nehru. That is why his birth anniversary is dedicated to honoring the most precious resource of our country, also of the world, the children of our country. This day is celebrated to convey the message to protect children, nurture and nourish the children in a safe and supportive environment that suits them the best. We should always appreciate and acknowledge that the children are the backbone of our society, most valuable treasure of the future of our country, most beautiful flowers of our society. Nehru said once in his speech, "Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow." Before the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the day 20th November was celebrated by the United Nations as World Children's Day. But after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, the Parliament issued a resolution to establish the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Children's Day of our country. This day is celebrated as a reminder of giving the children importance and of the responsibility protecting, nurturing and educating them to study hard, respect the elders, dream big. Here is the end of my speech. Thank you.